Hello everyone. Today I'll be explaining functions in C programming. These are the contents which I'll be explaining. So I'll be explaining what are functions in C programming, recursive functions with an example program. So what are functions in C programming? It is a reusable block of code that makes a program easier to understand, test, and can be easily modified without changing the calling program. Functions divide the code and modularize the program for better and effective results. In short, a larger program is divided into various subprograms which are called as functions. So when you divide a large program into various functions, it becomes easy to manage each function individually. Whenever an error occurs in the program, you can easily investigate faulty functions and correct only those errors. You can easily call and use functions whenever they are required, which automatically leads in saving time and space. So coming on to recursive functions. So what are recursive functions? Consider the factorial of a number which is calculated as follows. 6 factorial equals to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this calculation is done as repeatedly calculating factor into fact minus 1 until fact equals 1. A recursive function is a function which calls itself and indicates an exit condition in order to finish the recursive calls. In case of the factorial number calculation, the exit condition is in fact equals to 1. Recursion works by stacking calls until the exiting condition is true. So, following is a program which explains how to calculate the factorial of a number. So, when we execute this program, we get the output as follows. The factorial of 6 is 720. So here in this program, we declare our recursive factorial function which takes an integer parameter and returns the factorial of this parameter. This function will call itself and decrease the number until the exiting or the base condition is reached. When the condition is true, the previously generated values will be multiplied by each other and the final factorial value is returned. We declared and initialize an integer variable with value 6 and then print its factorial value by calling our factorial function. So this is all about functions in C programming. Thank you.